that's perfect. Okay, so a good range. And one thing that you also mentioned was timing. So if I've got to do a kitchen renovation, what timeline should I expect?
Again, a lot depends on the construction, how heavy the construction part is. If it's what we call a swap out, if you're remaining in a very similar design and we're not removing a bunch of walls and there's not extensive flooring to redo, we could be 4 weeks, sometimes 6 weeks, sometimes a little less. If there's extensive construction to do, it could take a little longer. But again, it really depends on the entire scope of the project. But you should allow at least a solid 4 weeks as kind of a point of thought process where you're not going to have an operating kitchen in your home. And I can promise you that you're going to get a little anxious towards the end. You get sick of washing dishes in the bathtub, but it's well worth the effort of what you go through because the end result is always fantastic.